Hello, I'm Muttasim Fuad and welcome to Tips and Tricks TV's new episode called Facebook Problems. And in this new episode, I am going to talk about how to get back disabled Facebook ID. And you know, different types of disabled happens in Facebook, and one of them is pretending disabled. So in this first part of this episode, I am going to talk about how to get back a pretending disabled Facebook ID. So stay with me, I'm coming after the intro. So what is pretending disabled? Pretending disabled happens when someone uses your pictures and information to create a fake ID. And if someone report to Facebook that your ID is fake and the fake ID that has been created using your pictures is the real ID, in that case, Facebook take an action and your ID becomes disabled. I know this is very painful. So what you need to overcome this problem? You just need a card. That can be your national ID card, or it can be your driving license, or it can also be your passport. Facebook has published a list of IDs that you can submit to them. So most important thing is that it needs to match three things with that ID and your Facebook ID. Number one, as an example, this is a national ID card of my country. What you need to match with your account? Number one, your name. Your name in the card should be 100% match with your Facebook account. Number two, your date of birth. Your date of birth must have to be matched with your Facebook ID. And lastly, your pictures. If these three things are not matched, Facebook is never gonna back your ID. So make sure that you have a card with these three things matched with your Facebook profile, and then take a picture of the card holding like this. You need to keep this card and your face in one frame and take a picture. And make sure that this card will near to be the camera lens, so that the card can be clearly seen without zooming. And if you can take these pictures clearly and submit this, Facebook will give your ID back. And where to submit this picture? First of all, log into your Facebook account, and when you logged in your account, it will show a message that's like this: your Facebook ID has been disabled for pretending to be someone else, and if you do it by mistake, contact us, or something like that. You can see here there is a contact us link. Click here, and here you will find the form to submit your information, and carefully fill up the form, select your picture and submit this Facebook, and I hope within one day you will get back your Facebook account. So I hope this video is helpful for you, and if you find this video helpful, please hit a like button to support me, and please subscribe my channel. And I'm coming back with new tutorial in the next week. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.